Hi, Chef Whyte from Whyte Specialised Equipment. Just felt compelled to do a YouTube here right now. I've had a lot of phone calls, and no doubt other suppliers have, in relation to what can we do. Is there a product we can put down to help contain this virus? This is the product. This is a product called DeoSan Plus, and preferably when you do put it down, it's in a sprayer about this particular size, and you will bring it down with a measuring jug around about 40 ml per 1 litre. And what it does, it's a decontaminant, anti-microbial, and it will, we're talking about microscopic things. I'm not going to be an industrial chemist, which I'm not, but this product will contain the virus, and we're talking microscopic. But the thing is, as members of the cleaning industry right now, we should be out there thoroughly cleaning these homes, all commercial places. Do the best you can. Now, I'm not going to be a hypocrite and ask you to do something I haven't. My own factory here, I've thoroughly cleaned all the way through, top and bottom. I came in Sunday and I sprayed with this sprayer all the car park area out the front where a lot of waste goes, etc. I sprayed all the way through the offices, the 2-pack floor, everywhere. It does leave a light mist on the floor, but it will dry. Obviously, this is something that you do after you've thoroughly cleaned a premises, and on your way out, you're going to obviously spray it on the way out as to not walk into it. Doesn't take that long for it to dry, but it's certainly one of the very best things you can do in this current market. We, like a lot of things, there will be a shortage, but this is the product that you can give your customers a lot of peace of mind. I also suggest all our truck mounts, all our portables, get into your waste tanks and thoroughly clean them and put this product through it, because you don't want to be starting up your machine and it's exhausting bacteria into the house. Same as your portables to a large degree. The vacuum exhaust down the bottom can harbour bacteria in there, so keep your portable recovery tank spotlessly clean, and your vans, everything. Now, everything from, because sanitisers are hard to get at the moment as well, so I believe they're out of them from most of the suppliers till the middle of next month. So these are all things that we can do, but I'd encourage you to get in there. Don't sit there and wait for this thing to really grab up some speed. Get proactive and let's thoroughly clean mattresses, curtains, anything you can get your hands on, tiles, floors, etc. And we need to get on top of it, because the average person in a home does not have anything bar a vacuum cleaner and a bit of spray and wipe. So you've got the tools of the trade, and it's time for the cleaning industry we can really step up and make a difference. So I hope you take it on board and get encouraged to get out and be proactive, and let's see if we can get right on top of this problem. Thank you.